So I've had 2 cups of coffee today.
So this could go weird.
Yeah.
Hi guys, it's Bella and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm looking a little crusty, but it's fine. Everything's fine. Yeah, so, you can see I put little lights up behind my bed because I thought it was cute and the wall looked really boring. Anyway, hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to do a kind of like glow up with me situation, also just like getting ready for like spring break. And I say that in like quotations because I'm not like going anywhere really. But basically today I am driving down with my friend and we are basically going to New Jersey for one night and then turning around and coming back. I am going to a family event, but I can't stay because I'm a dancer and we're not allowed to have social lives. So basically today we're gonna pack. I wanted to like do like a little like glow up situation, like do my makeup and like, you know, get a nice smooth shave and like exfoliate, maybe do a face mask so that I feel a little more like less wintry and sad and a little more, I don't know, I just thought it would be fun. Anyway, I have to like get ready, do my makeup, I have to pack, I have to like take a shower and like exfoliate and all that fun stuff. I have to work out and then I have to drive for 5 hours. Yeah, this is gonna be so fun. Okay. Hey Google, play some indie pop music. Hello? Google? You good? Google, are you okay?
Sure. Here are some songs.
Oh, okay.
Darling, you send me, I know you.
So for this part of the video, I thought I would just give you guys a quick overview of what I usually do for like my home workout. So I usually stretch and do some of my favorite ab exercises. And if you guys want an actual like full-length video about the at-home like exercise and stuff I do like specifically as a dancer, I would love to do that for you guys, so let me know if you would like that. I'm just, you know, doing some planks and stuff, and then I'm just also doing my splits. Sorry if there is music in the background, but the Google literally won't stop. Yeah.
Try again in a few seconds.
Okay, so I just finished my little at-home usual workout with Jiggy. So anyway, I just finished my workout routine. Now I'm gonna go take a shower and stuff, wash this face situation, and I thought I would show you guys what products I'm gonna use. So yeah, let's go. Yes, I know my socks are different colors, okay? Thank you. Okay, so, oh boy, I'm just gonna show you what products I have been liking to use lately. So for shaving, this stuff is so amazing. It's called Cremo. This is the coconut mango scent. It smells so freaking good, you guys. It's just like a really great shaving cream. And then just for my face, I'm gonna use the oil-free acne scrub. This is just the Equate Beauty one, but it is a great dupe for the Neutrogena grapefruit facial scrub. So if you guys like want to save some money, definitely get this one. It's just like, it's just as good. And then I'm gonna use the Elizabeth Arden Visible Difference moisturizer. This stuff is so great, I love it. Yeah, if you guys want to see my pamper routine, I am going to link that. It's right in this corner. I think that's the correct corner. Anyway, you guys should go check that out if you want to see more like skincare stuff. But yeah, let's go. I am done with my shower. Out of the shower, I want to show you what my like favorite like spring little products are. So I've been using this Sweet Pea lotion. This is from Bath and Body Works and it just smells amazing, and I like really wanted something that was like cute and springy. Ugh. Okay, anyway, this Pretty as a Peach Fine Fragrance Mist from Bath & Body Works. It smells so good and it's just like a perfect spring smell. And let's do my eyebrows. So I do my eyebrows myself. This is the before. I have like a lot of, yeah, we're just gonna fix this. Not too bad. Ow. Okay, I think I'm just gonna show you guys what they look like after, because literally my eyes are tearing up and this is embarrassing. Okay, hold on 1 second. Okay, so I just did my eyebrows very quickly. Yeah, they definitely look a little better, so that's good. Okay, I think we need to do some makeup. I'm just gonna do like some pretty chill. Ugh, why do I look, my hair looks so bad. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna do some pretty chill makeup today because like I said, I'm literally just gonna be driving in the car for 5 hours and I'm stressed about it. Okay, let's just do that. To use my Age Rewind concealer because, yeah. Oh my god, what am I doing? Okay, we are done with the makeup. I really like this highlighter. I've probably talked about it many times, but I just put on some like peach colored lip gloss because I'm feeling zesty today. I don't know. Okay, let's do my hair because oh boy, that is rough. Okay, I think we are going to basically just put in some dry shampoo and like brush it. So if you guys didn't see my hair dyeing video, you should definitely go watch this because that was like the beginning of this like spring transformation kind of like idea. Like I wanted my hair to be lighter and it was fun. So you guys should definitely go check out that video. Okay. Whoops. I look crazed. I did my hair literally. I just brushed it and like put some dry shampoo on it so it didn't look quite as bad. Yeah, okay. What do we need to do? Oh, packing. Yeah, I literally have to leave in like 40 minutes. Okay. I guess we should probably do that then. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I have the stuff that I'm going to pack laid out. I just have some of these Shea Moisture, oh my god, what's it called? Face wipes and then like a toothbrush and stuff. And this is full of just the makeup that I just used and my little perfume majiggy, some pajamas, and then these are the 2 outfits that I have for the event family thing, just because like I want to have options. I don't know. I have this cute pink shirt and this skirt that I wear way too much, and my new dress, and then these really cute necklaces that were in my school outfit ideas video, if you saw that. And then I just have some shoes, and then my purse and a phone charger. And that's where we're at right now, and then I think I'm gonna pack this up. And okay guys, so I am all packed up and pretty much ready to go. So yeah, I think that's gonna be the end of this video. It's probably really short, so I'm sorry, but make sure to like it down below and subscribe to my channel. That would be awesome. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.